Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a very special truck. This is a one-off. I guarantee you've never seen anything like this before. Got Jeff, the owner, a good friend of many, many years. Going to tell us a little bit about it. How you doing today, Jeff?
Good, how are you?
Dude, I never thought you'd sell this.
Time.
God, so much love went into this truck.
Yeah.
So tell us about it.
So it started as a 55 GMC pickup.
Mm-hmm.
We picked it up, we grinded down all the metal. There was zero rust on it. We put a 12-inch extension on it, on the cab itself.
It's from a Suburban, right?
Yes. Yeah.
I saw this truck come together.
The bed was an 8-foot bed that we cut.
Mm-hmm.
And
You went 26 inches out of it?
yeah, 26, 27 inches. And then we put the wheel well back in where we needed it.
Man.
It's all original. There was no rust on the bed besides a little surface rust.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, to find the tailgate in that good a shape is like
Impossible. So it's a 58 bed?
58 bed,
Mm-hmm.
55 body,
Yeah.
and 57 hood because I like the spears on it.
Yeah, and I like the big back window too.
Yes.
It's killer. Man, it sits so nice too. It's great for a tall guy.
Now, I'm 6'2", and I was tired of building trucks and not fitting them.
Yeah, but like 3 of them you did.
Yes. The third one was a job.
Yeah. Man, it looks cool. You could fit a 10-foot guy in there now.
Yeah, it's really very comfortable. We do
Very
a lot of road trips around the country in it.
Yeah.
Since we've had it, it's been 3 years. We put 10,000 miles on it.
Wow, it's shaking down. So it's got a brand new ZZ4 crate motor. It's an aluminum head motor, 355 horse.
Yes.
Fuel injected. It's nice and reliable. Stainless steel headers, power steering, power brakes, disc brake all the way around. Man, so cool. Camaro front clip. 12-bolt rear. With 373 in the back.
I think so, yes.
What a cool look. Visor up top and stuff. Love it. So unique. Who did your pinstriping? Who did the stripe, Jeff?
Palm Coast Eddie.
Oh, he's awesome. It's in Medford, right?
He's out. He spends half the year in Florida, half the year here.
Oh. Is this front bumper or powder coated?
Yes, it is. Anything that's black on the truck has been powder coated.
Very cool. Electric wipers. Visors powder coated?
No, that was just paint.
Paint, right? The emblems are powder coated. Man, nice job. And all the hardware and everything's original.
Yep.
I know these wind wings aren't cheap. Are those factory?
Yep.
Or OEM? That'll cost you $400 a piece for those. Dude, this bed, God Lord, what a great job. It's like artwork. Oak back here?
Oak.
I like how it's not stained. It's so much better that way.
It'll last forever.
And the
At least my
filler
life.
neck. That's pretty cool.
Yep.
That was your idea?
Yes.
Love that. LED tails. Custom. Man, I love this gate, dude. How the hell did you find that? It came on the bed, I guess, huh?
Yeah, it's a complete bed.
Jeez. This paddle down here looks great too.
That we had.
Really smooths it out. Yeah, that's a custom touch. And look how straight it is. Jeez. I like the salt flat wheels too. And the exhaust out the side. Such a vision. No, we went through 2 windows I've seen on this.
We had the original,
Yeah.
and then I had to have the big back window.
Yeah, it really makes the truck. I'm sure Danny wasn't happy about that.
No.
What's the extension? 12?
12 inches, yes.
Man, what a difference. And nicely done inside. Woo. All new. Some Mustang Buckets, full power. They work. Gotta have it on. What is this box here?
It's a Korean War box, ammunition box, and then I modified it.
Wow, cup holders. Imagine that. So with the electric EFI, turn it on. Love these classic instruments gauges too. And he's got a pushing. Man, it's so roomy in here. Good Jesus. Bluetooth stereo. Obviously heat and air. Electric wipers. He's a cabinet maker by trade. Made all this wood. Love it. Love the combo too with the red and the brown. Really works. You know? Electric wipers. Air blows nice and cold.
Yes. Too cold sometimes. Heat works good. Defroster works.
Tilt wheel. Love the speakers and the kick panels. Did Danny do the interior too? Did Danny do the interior?
Yes.
Nice job. Love these custom door panels. Power windows. Check that out. Pretty quick too. Man, this is big in here. Love the headliner.
Solid oak.
Really nice. Riddler wheels. Oh, nice touch. We got a ZZ4 under here. Comes from GM directly with aluminum heads. Borgeson steering box. Flaming River tilt wheel. Is it Flaming River? Stainless steel headers. Oh, long tubes too. The Headman headers?
Yes, it is.
Big aluminum radiator with electric fan. Center thermostat. The fan. Modern AC pump. Fuel injection. You can hear the injectors opening and closing. Electronic ignition. Not overly done either. Stereo. So now the seats work because it's on. That's nice. Man, look at the room in here. Can you buzz it? Down. Can we buzz it real quick? Man, this thing is roomy.
You want me to hit it?
Yeah, man. Man, this thing's got some juice. That's nice, huh? What's it do on the highway? 22 miles per gallon?
22 miles a gallon with fuel injection.
It's fantastic. Definitely felt Posi there. And straight as an arrow too. Freaking awesome. Love it. guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a shout. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot, and appreciate you joining us today.